In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to Lululemon. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to lululemon.com. Now from here, I'm just going to make a purchase. So I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to click on this shirt, graphic shirt, choose my size, add to bag. And basically I need to head to the checkout section where we can add this gift card. So it will say view bag and checkout. Now it's going to redirect me to my bag. Here we go here. So this is what I'm going to order, this shirt, graphic shirt. You can see the price here and that. They've also got, you can enter a promo code here if you'd like to do that. From here, go ahead and click on checkout. Now from here, you got to put in your contact information, your shipping address. Your shipping method is free, and it will say continue to billing. So I'm just going to quickly fill this out. All right, that looks good. All right, now I'm going to click on continue to billing. And now we're on the payment section or payment information. All right, as you can see, there is a redeem a gift card section. So go ahead and click on redeem gift card. And now put in your card number and then your PIN, click apply, and whatever that gift card amounts to, if it's say, for example, $50, I would only have to pay an extra $4 on top of that to make this purchase complete. Or if your gift card's more than the purchase, you're going to have credit in that gift card.